Hey, what's up, everybody? This is V.B.HAWK here. We are in my office. We're hanging out and doing some work. We're updating a couple things. We're doing some updating, like I said, on our website. We have a couple new things coming up. We're working on new things. We're always working on new things. So I want to share a couple things with you guys, what we're doing and what plus what we're hearing out there, what's happening, and all these new things that are coming up for 2022. And we have a great couple things that we're going to be working on this year. It is going to be something to see. You guys got to see this. But what we're doing, we're all about being original. This is us. This is V.B.HAWK. I can't stress enough how important all this is to me and to customers and things of that nature. So first things first, what I wanted to discuss is parts. All our scooters, V.B.HAWK scooters, we have access to all parts for the scooters. If you need a deck, if you need a controller, if you need tires, if you need shocks, if you need lights, if you need anything, brake pads. I mean, we give those for free when you order. I mean, brake pads or the helmets, whatever it is that you need to upgrade your scooter or repair your scooter or whatever the issue or problem that you may have. Like I said, we have access to the parts. We can get the parts for you as we continue to expand and more. We're gonna have a whole stock full of all the stuff. So which, like I said before, in my other things, stock is good, don't get me wrong, but too much stock is no good. But we do have parts for all our scooters. So you purchase something from us, a scooter, just feel secure that you can contact me, whatever you want. If you need something, whatever it is, just ask. I mean, all I ask is that. I mean, I don't want to display 1,000 pieces of parts on our website because it's going to take forever to do this. You know what I mean? So I did update it. I put on there the V.B.HAWK's Scoop Fix. We have all the parts, accessories for your rides, and I mentioned a couple of things that we have. And another thing I want to mention, dampers. This thing has been, the talk of everybody right now. I always have said, why do you spend $3,000 to $4,000 on a scooter if you need a damper? It's like buying a Ferrari, but you're gonna need parts of the motor in order to get the high performance. So, I mean, that's me. I don't know who, I just don't have any other words for it. I mean, that's just me. So I put down, like I said, I talked to the people from the factory that make the V.B.HAWK scooters, And we had this talk a couple months ago about the dampers, but the thing came up again. And according to them, to the factory, to the engineers that build them, that the dampers have been tested, and the actual words were dampers have been tested, and this tool to be less effective and non-convenient when cornering. Okay, so they did test the dampers on I guess on a couple of the scooters that they have, and the same things that we have, the models that we have. That they found that it wasn't a good idea to put them on because of it wasn't effective for cornering. Okay, so it like I said, my personal scooters have my own scooters as well. I have no issues of braking. I have no wobble, no bumping, no nothing. It's just a smooth ride. Okay, and I have taken it for 50, 52, 53 miles an hour on them. Okay, so that's said and done. Okay, our next thing is we're working on having a I'm gonna go to the page real quick. Is the ride and buy show. A ride and buy show is we're gonna have probably maybe about we're gonna pick our 5 best scooters, V.B.HAWK scooters, and we're gonna have you test it. Okay, we're gonna have you ride it, we're gonna have you test it, and we're gonna be in different places, different locations. We'll post it where we're gonna be and things like that, because sometimes we may have to get a permit, things of that nature. But this is something that I was supposed to have done last year, and since my injury, that put a whole year back. I'm behind a whole year, believe me, about a good whole year. So I'm trying little by little, trying to catch up on what my ideas were and everything. So now we're doing it. Now we have our own brand name, which is much better. That we do have a brand name now, because last time it was a little bit of a different story. But I am glad that we have V.B.HAWK, and V.B.HAWK was our baby, and my baby, and your baby. Okay, so we're going to have at least, I guess, 5 scooters, and I want you guys to test it. If you love it, you can buy it right there on the fly. So if you like it, you ride it. If you enjoy it, you can take it right away. You can take it off my hand. You can purchase it right there and there, man. No questions asked. Whatever it is, take it right off the lot. Take it off wherever it is that we're at. Okay, this is something that we're going to be doing in the summer. I will be placing some dates, probably by May, I guess. But it will be something in the summer that we're going to be doing, and throughout the whole course of the rest of the year. So it's going to be something like maybe once a month that we'll do a show or something of that. So that way you guys can actually ride them, feel it out, and take and make your own judgments, man. Hey, you have a right to your own opinion. I want you to ride them. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love my rides. They're good, they're strong. I like good quality stuff. Okay, all across the board, man. You know what I mean? I like good stuff. Okay. There's people that say I'm high maintenance. I'm a high maintenance dude. Yeah, I know. I like all these expensive toys. The helicopters, the drone, the scooters, this and that, and the whole bit. And forget it, guys. Hey, listen. I work hard. I'm entitled to it. So, all right. That said and done. Wait for the dates. Every once in a while, I'll put up an ad here and there about it. That way, I'll reminding you guys about it and things like that. All right, so boom, next issue, next thing. I am trying to work out this year. I'm hopefully, if I can do this, is to have our first store. We're gonna put up a store. We're gonna put up a shop, V.B.HAWK's electric scooter shop, and it's gonna have our scooters in there, and we're gonna have a repair shop which repairs all types of bikes, even regular bikes, you know, scooters, e-bikes, mountain bikes, anything electric, that thing. So we are going to have that service provided, because I have gotten so many emails stating that they buy a scooter and they didn't have no place to either take it. They don't know where to go. It's too far. The company that I brought it, they don't do anything like that. They forget it. Okay, like I said before, you buy a scooter from us. We can get parts. We have it. We have accessible to all that. If you buy an V.B.HAWK scooter, but if you have a different brand and all that, you know, the tech will take a look at it and see see it can be fixed. If not, we can order parts for it. We'll look it up online. Okay, we'll go out of the way for you. That doesn't matter as long as we're able to fix it. Okay, and that's our model. So we'll help you as much as we can on it. So that's the goal for this year. That's my goal this year. Have our store. We're gonna have the show, the ride and buy show this summer. V.B.HAWK. You can test out our V.B.HAWK scooters. We got the Spider, the Voltron, the Storm. Those scooters that are the Supra, which is my top seller, my V.B.HAWK Supra. That was actually my first e-scooter built. It's the V.B.HAWK Supra. That thing took off, man. I tell you, it's such a good scooter, man. You guys, I'm telling you guys, are missing out on this thing. You know, I mean, not because I'm saying it and all that. Nah. Make a good product, man. You know, and that's it, man. And whether you hear this video or not, you know, I know a lot. I know this is a big competition out there with all these scooters and with the big boys. And hey, you know, I mean, I'm just me. Okay, I'm just me. This is what I have. I give you a good scooter. You know, some of these companies are to be honest with you, some of these companies are hurting because they're not selling anything. People are not buying. So I mean, that's them. You know, I wish everybody the best. You know, that's the thing. You know, and I know we're living in some little bit difficult times, which may affect their company. I get it. I know it's, you know, me as well, and you know, so it does, you know, affect. But this is also, you know, I do also have another career during the day. You know what I mean? So I'm able to do all this without, you know, going into any bankruptcy or anything like that nature, or things like that. So I keep myself afloat. I keep my stock to a minimal. That's like I said before, stock is good, but not too much stock, okay? Because then you're gonna, if you sink, you're gonna sink with the whole ship, okay? So you don't want to do that, you know. You may just want to have a little leak that can be repaired. So it's best to have a leak than to sink with a whole ship full of merchandise. So that being said, this is what I do. Okay, you know, it's called smart business. Okay, it's smart business. You know, it's the right way to do things nowadays. Okay, because of the economy right now. Okay, now One more thing. I love talking. I know I got so much things to tell you. We did that, and we have all the parts for you guys. You buy an V.B.HAWK scooter, we have all parts. You can upgrade them. You can put extra lights. You could put anything on the scooters if you like on them. So please, you can hook them up like mine. Look at mine. I have all kinds of stuff. I got cameras. I have my hold on, let me show you real quick. I got my 360 camera there. You know, my helmet. You know, I got my 360 camera. Look at that. See? I do all these extra things on it. I got the packs. I got the V.B.HAWK packs on it. I got all my wires and batteries and extra stuff on them. Let me see. I got my other hookup over here, which another 360 camera. See that there? Right there. See that right there? Put the other camera there. Another light here. These are my amber lights. I call them my police lights. See? So I got lights there. I mean, I can do all kinds of stuff. You know, you can add things. You can, if you want to change the deck, you can do so. Okay, everything. It's my little shop here I have in my office there. You know, I can do upgrading. It's a little repair here I do. Okay, so see, that's another. This is my V.B.HAWK. I call it my baby V.B.HAWK. See, I'll try to show you guys. There's another one there. See the V.B.HAWK there. That's another one. So that's a little lighter version V.B.HAWK. Okay, and this is my V.B.HAWK 1. This is my powerhouse ride right here, which I have here. It's my baby. You know, we all have our babies, man. We all have our babies. We all have our toys. We love our toys. We love our rides, and we love what we do, and that's the bottom line. All right, guys. I'm trying to think of anything else I can add on. Look up. We're on Facebook. Okay, we have our group pages. Please join we have a YouTube our YouTube channel. You can get it off our website, V.B.HAWKscooters.com. Okay, there's a big banner I have on there. It says V.B.HAWK. There you can click on that. Right there, anywhere in the banner, and it takes you right to our V.B.HAWK TV. Okay, have all our videos on there. Please subscribe. You know, trying to launch this YouTube thing. Like I said before, we have hundreds of thousands of views on the Facebook video, but we're trying to gear over to YouTube, and so we're working on that as well. So all right, guys, so I'm glad I was able to give you some updated news and things of that. Guys, be safe, ride safe, please wear your helmets, knee pads, elbow pads, bro, please. Okay, I know I know what it feels like to have an injury riding, and thank God I can continue to do that. Okay, but anyways, peace out. V.B.HAWK, we rock, guys.